Kids, welcome to third standard English grammar class. Today I come with lesson number 22. Lesson name is the apostrophe. Okay, with the help of this grammar book, I am going to explain the use of apostrophe. Look at the pictures and under the picture sentences are given. Picture के नीचे sentence दिया हुआ है, उसे भी आपको carefully देखना है. Okay. Look at first picture and first sentence. The boy's mother gave a good speech. मम्मी किसकी है? बॉयज़ की. लड़के की मम्मी है. तो बॉय क्या है? बॉय नाउन है और नाउन की मम्मी है. ओके. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. राजू's father is an engineer. राजू के पिताजी एक इंजीनियर है. सो फादर बिलोंग्स टू राजू मीन्स पिताजी किसके हैं? राजू के हैं. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस टू वी कम टू नो दैट apostrophe is used to show that something belongs to that noun. apostrophe का यूज हम नाउन के चीज़ों को दिखाने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. नाउन के थिंग्स को दिखाने के लिए. ओके. लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल. बॉयज़ मदर मीन्स मदर बिलोंग्स टू द बॉय. राजू's फादर मीन्स फादर बिलोंग्स टू ओनली राजू. पिताजी सिर्फ राजू के हैं और मम्मी सिर्फ लड़के की है. ओके. means mother and father belongs to the particular boy and particular Raju. Okay. An apostrophe shows possession. apostrophe हमें अधिकार दिखाता है. with the help of apostrophe we can show our possession. It is used only with living things. In the case of living things only we use apostrophe. Apostrophe is used in short forms or contraction. When we want to write short form of any word, that time also we use apostrophe. जब हम किसी word का short form लिखना चाहते हैं, that time also we use apostrophe. Short form means contraction. When we join two words and say them together, it is called contraction. जब हम दो वर्ड्स को एक साथ जोड़ देते हैं और उन्हें बोलते हैं, उसे ही हम contraction कहते हैं. Look at the given example. I have been busy. In this case, I have can be joined like this. Look at the given right side. I apostrophe ve been busy means I have been busy. It is not raining. In this case we add is and not. So what will come? It is not raining. Okay. So in these two example, I apostrophe ve is a contraction of I have and is n apostrophe t is a contraction of is not. Okay. Look at the down. Some of common contractions are given. Look at this chart. With the help of grammar workbook, I want to show you this chart. Look at the chart from contraction. Two columns are given. I am can be joined like this. I apostrophe m. You are. It can be joined like you apostrophe re. He is. He apostrophe s. She is. She apostrophe s. It is. It apostrophe s. We are. We apostrophe re. They are. They apostrophe re. Cannot. Can apostrophe t. Has not. Has n apostrophe t. Should not. Should n apostrophe t. Okay. So like this we can make contraction of the two words with the help of apostrophe. Okay. So look at three charts carefully and write these three charts in your notebook properly like this. जैसे दिया हुआ है वैसे ही आपको कॉपी करना है नोटबुक में एज इट इज. ओके. So after watching video, write these 3 charts in your notebook properly in good handwriting. Okay.